Today we're going to talk about how to install the Speedlock fastener from Modular Solutions. First of all, the tools that you're going to need. Obviously, the Speedlock fastener itself, then an impact driver, a 5mm impact driver bit, hex head, or you could use a socket adapter and a 5mm hex head driver socket. Then a 4mm T-handle or 4mm Allen wrench. And finally, as an optional item, a clamp to clamp your piece down to your work surface. As I mentioned before, clamping the piece down to the work surface is not absolutely necessary, but can make the process a little bit easier on your hands. So we'll start by clamping it down to the table. Get it clamped down nice and tight. Then we take our impact driver and our Speedlock fastener. We line the end of the bolt up with the center gallery of the piece of extrusion, and we tighten it up. Once all the way tight, we want to back it off about 2 threads, maybe about 2 millimeters. Leaving that Speedlock a little bit loose. We then unclamp our piece from the work surface, and we get our second piece of extrusion to make our 90-degree connection. To make this connection, we line the Speedlock up with the T-slot of the second piece of extrusion and simply slide the 2 pieces together. Then we take our 4mm T-handle, come down into the corner, into the set screw, and tighten it up. And that is how you make a 90-degree connection with the Speedlock fastener from Modular Solutions.